At Grekkon, we understand that water scarcity is one of the biggest challenges farmers face. In Mashuru, Kajiado County, we provided a lasting solution by installing a 24-meter by 40-meter high-density polyethylene HDPE pond liner with a thickness of 0.75 millimeters. This durable and UV-resistant liner ensures reliable long-term water storage, empowering the client to sustain agricultural production without fear of shortages. Before installation, our team carried out thorough ground preparation. The site was cleared of vegetation, sharp rocks, and debris that could damage the liner. The ground was then leveled and compacted to form a smooth base. In some projects, we also recommend adding a protective layer of fine sand or geotextile fabric to extend the liner's lifespan and prevent punctures. Once the base was ready, the liner was carefully positioned and spread across the excavated pond. To avoid abrasions, it was never dragged on the ground. Instead, the team began positioning from the center and worked outward to the edges, gently removing folds and air pockets. This precise placement ensured the liner fit seamlessly into the contours of the pond, guaranteeing maximum coverage and durability. The final stage was anchoring. A trench, 30-40 centimeters deep, was dug around the pond's perimeter. The liner edges were tucked securely into the trench and backfilled with compacted soil. This anchoring method prevents slippage, wind-up lift, and external damage, keeping the liner firmly in place for years to come. With the installation complete, the client now has a strong, reliable, and long-term water storage system to support their agricultural activities. At Grekkon, we remain committed to delivering efficient irrigation and water storage solutions that empower farmers and transform agriculture into a sustainable venture.